The pandemic pushed many baby boomer managers to the career sidelines before they were ready. Most were successful, but they myopically assumed they would never have a problem finding a new position. When laid off, these boomers discovered that the people they depended on for much of their career, highly successful executives who were 5 to 10 years older, had retired and disappeared into the woodwork. They were no longer available to offer help. If you lose your job after the age of 55, you better have a robust network of younger relationships who can and will help you. The market has changed. Age discrimination is rampant.